Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video I am going to show you a quirk with Q4OS on the Trinity desktop when you're using Kdenlive. Now this isn't going to apply to a lot of people, but anyone who does video editing in Kdenlive that uses Trinity, this may help you. So if I go into the menu and I type Kdenlive, and this was installed via the standard repositories of Q4OS, so the Synaptic, you'll see that all of the icons are missing. Now I followed various guides to get these to appear, including doing things like changing the application style to Breeze or Fusion. You can change the color scheme to dark, but it doesn't bring back the icons. And I've tried various other things to get the icons back, but it doesn't work. And I think this is where Q4OS is beginning to break up as a desktop environment. It's not keeping up with KDE Plasma. So what did I do to solve this issue? I went to the internet. I went to kdenlive.org/download and I downloaded the app image. So if I click that, and you can put it wherever you want. So in my case, I put it in the app images folder, and I can do it again. So we'll call it Kdenlive, and I just call it Kdenlive 2. Like that, and then we can close once the download's finished. We can close the browser down and we can go to the downloads folder. Now I like to use Dolphin for this, but you can get there from my computer, home folder, and then we can app images like that, and you can see I've got Kdenlive 2, and this is the key bit here. You right click, you click on properties, and then permissions, you tick the is executable box and you click OK. Now when I double click on this, you can now see we're running the app image and it's running perfectly fine. Now you'll see that I've actually got an icon on my taskbar. So what you can do is on your desktop you can create a new link to application, and we'll call it Kdenlive 2, and we click here, and you can call it Kdenlive if you want, or Kdenlive 2 in my case, and you click browse. You go up to your home folder, into your app images, pick the app image you want, click open, and then as a general you can click here, and if you try installing Kdenlive via the Synaptic package manager, you should be able to find it in here under the search. You click that, click OK. Now you've got a desktop icon. And that is the end of the video. So if you're using applications on Q4OS and they don't load properly, and you think it might be to do with the desktop and you can't find any other solution, look to see if there's an app image for it. Now if that solved your problem, hit the like button on the video, hit the subscribe button, and if you look in the description there is a link to this month's newsletter. But for now, that is it. I will see you next time on Everyday Linux User.